In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF using this weekly planner that we designed in Canva. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new design. Under custom size, I'm going to change it to inches and make it 8.5 by 11. Next, let's find a font. So I'm going to click on the text tab to find a quick font combination. I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to click Ungroup. So this I'm going to change to weekly planner and I'm just going to resize it. And then I want to add my days of the week here on the right side. So I'm going to start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, and then I want to add them in small little outline boxes. So they're just going to be outlines. I'm going to add that to each day. And then here I'm going to put the week of, so this way the user can add the week. And then I'm also going to create a little checklist. So I'm going to duplicate this line right here and then press C to add a circle. So this way you could check off any tasks. And I'm going to click and drag all of them to group it. And then I'm going to click duplicate right here. And before I deselect, I'm going to grab this arrow and move it right here. And then press Command D or Control D, depending on if you have a Mac or a Windows, till you get the entire list down here. I'm going to move everything up just a bit because I want to add a notes section at the bottom. So I'm going to duplicate this little rectangle and then add notes. So I might click and drag just to resize these a bit. So that way I have a bit more room for the notes. So you can go in and add graphics and colors if you'd like. A lot of times I will go to the design tab under styles. I'm going to select color palettes. And then if you select one of the palettes and keep on clicking it, it will basically shuffle through the colors in this one palette. This way you could easily test out different colors super quickly. All right, so I'm going to keep this beige one. And the next thing I'm going to do is share download. So you want to download this as a PDF standard. And then we're going to go to a website called DocHub.com. It's free to sign up. And under the dashboard, I'm going to click import a document and upload that PDF. Then while it's selected, click create document and then select on that second icon, manage fields. So these are where you could create your actual inputs for the fillable PDF. So the first thing I'm going to select is the text version. And I'm just going to hover over this line right here. And now we have our field. So I'm going to make another one over here. And you could select these 6 dots to reposition it. So once you create a text field, it will stay that size. So this way you could easily duplicate it pretty quickly. You could always go in and adjust it. So now we're going to select the paragraph field for the days of the week and the notes. So I'm going to click and drag over here and then select the boxes of the remaining days. For notes, I'm going to click and drag a larger box. So the last field we want to add to this planner are the little checkboxes. So you could actually click on the little checkbox field right here and just hover over the circle and then just select each circle. Now that we have all of our form fields created, we're going to duplicate this page. So click on the little page controls icon in the top left, and you will see this page. So I'm going to right click, duplicate. So I like to hold shift while selecting the first and last one. And this way it selects all of the pages. So this way you can mass duplicate your pages much quicker. So I'm going to select one, hold shift, select 10, and then click duplicate 10 pages. Okay, so now I have a total of 60 pages. So the last thing we're going to do is click on the download icon at the top right. So I opened the Fillable Planner in Chrome just to give you a preview of how it will look. You will see these overlays, but this does help the user figure out where to type. And you could also select these circles to check off any of your tasks. So that's how you download a fillable PDF. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe.